good morning students. Welcome to the online class. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Okay? So before starting today's day or today's session, let me tell you something about this day. Today is 11th of May. Today is 11th of May. And today is International Technology Day. Today is International Technology Day. What once was known as magic, now is called technology. Okay. See children, I am here at my home. Okay. And you are there at your home. है ना? आप लोग अपने घर पे हो, मैं अपने घर पे हूँ, है ना? सो और हम लोग पढ़ाई भी कर रहे हैं किसके थ्रू? फोन के थ्रू पढ़ रहे हैं. और फोन कैसे बना? टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू. ओके, फोन कैसे बना? टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू. ओके, दिस इज अ मैजिक. कभी हम लोग ने नहीं सोचा था ऐसा कि कभी ऐसा भी होगा हम लोग ऑनलाइन पढ़ेंगे या फिर आप लोग मिस को देख के पढ़ोगे. ऐसा सोचा था कभी नहीं सोचा था. लेकिन अभी पढ़ रहे हैं ना, और वो किसकी वजह से? टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से. ओके, सो नाउ let's start our session 2 of English text. In previous class we have studied about letter A, B, C, D and E. And today also we will revise those letters. Okay. So firstly we will start that. Let's start the ABC song. Okay. So you all will repeat after me. Okay. Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Oh dear me. Where should I learn my ABC? Okay, we will repeat this one more time. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Oh dear me. Where should I learn my ABC? So children, here we have completed our ABC song. Okay, so let's start the letters. Firstly, we will do the introduction of the letters. Okay, as we have done the introduction of the letters in the previous class, but again we will do. Okay, so tell me, which letter is this? This is capital A. This is capital A. A is for apple. A is for apple. And this is small a. This is small a. Okay. So now next letter. This is letter B. This is letter B. B is for ball. B is for ball. And this is small b. This is small b. Now this is C. This is capital C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Okay? And this is small c. This is small c. Now this is capital D. This is capital D. D is for dog. D is for dog. And the dog says bow bow. Okay? And and this is small d. This is small d. Now this is capital E. This is capital E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. And this is small e. This is small e. Now, this is the new letter F. This is new letter. This is capital F. This is capital F. And F is for fish. F is for fish. And fish lives in a water. Fish lives in a water. And this is small f. This is small f. This is letter G. This is letter G. And this is capital G. This is capital G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. And this is small g. This is small g. Now see, what is this? This is letter H. This is letter H. This is capital H. This is capital H. And H is for hen. H is for hen. And this is small h. This is small h. Ice cream. You all like ice cream, no? I know you all love ice cream. No? This is capital I. This is capital I. And this is small I. This is small I. And now last letter of the day. This is capital J. This is capital J. J is for jug. J is for jug. And this is small j. This is small j. So now children, we will learn letter A to J with these flashcards. Okay? So, this is letter A. This is letter A. Okay? This is letter A. A is for alligator. A is for alligator. And you know, alligator lives in a water. Alligator lives in a water. And most of the alligators are green in color. Okay? And most of the alligators are green in color. Okay? Now, A is for apple. A is for apple. Okay? See, A is for apple. Have you heard? An apples a day keep doctors away. Okay? And apples a day keep doctors away. So you all should eat apples every day. Okay? Now, A is for X. A is for X. Now, A is for arrow. A is for arrow. Now A is for ant. A is for ant. And A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. Have you seen aeroplane somewhere? Yes, in the sky. Have you seen? Okay. So now next letter. Okay, let's repeat it one more time. Then we will come on the next letter. Okay. A is for alligator. A is for apple. A is for X. A is for arrow. A is for aeroplane. And A is for ant. Okay. So you all will repeat these corresponding objects at your home. Okay. So now next letter. See, this is letter B. This is letter B. B is for balloons. B is for balloons. You all love balloons, na? I know you all love balloons very much. And B is for bell. B is for bell. Have you seen bell somewhere? Have you seen? In the temples we have seen the bells now. And in Christmas decoration, we use bells to decorate our house, our school, the Christmas tree. We use bells now. Okay. Now next, B is for basket. B is for basket. Your mother used basket now to keep fruits and vegetables. Okay. B is for ball. We all love to play with balls. No? B is for butterfly. B is for butterfly. Now B is for bear. B is for bear. Now see, which letter is this? This is letter C. This is letter C. C is for cat. C is for cat. And the cat says meow, meow. The cat says meow, meow. C is for cup. C is for cup. C is for cake. C is for cake. You all love to eat cake, no? I know. Now C is for caterpillar. C is for caterpillar. Or you can say caterpillar is a baby butterfly. Caterpillar is a baby butterfly. Okay. Now C is for car. C is for car. We love to travel and roam in a car. ना? पार्क जाना अच्छा लगता है कार में, घूमना अच्छा लगता है कार में, अच्छा लगता है ना? So C is for car. C is for cap. C is for cap. Okay, let's repeat this one more time. C is for cat. C is for cup. C is for cake. C is for caterpillar or baby butterfly. C is for car. And C is for cap. Okay. So now let's start the next letter. This is letter D. This is letter D. D is for donut. D is for donut. You all love to eat donut also, no? As well as you love cake and you love to eat donuts also. And C is for dot. D is for dot. D is for dot. And D is for deer. D is for deer. D is for drum. D is for drum. D is for door. D is for door. And D is for duck. D is for duck. And duck swims in a water. Duck swims in a water. So let's repeat this one more time. Okay. So D is for donut. D is for dot. D is for deer. D is for drum. D is for door. D is for duck. Okay. So let's start the next letter. This is letter E. This is letter E. E is for egg. E is for egg. E is for egg. And E is for earth. E is for earth. E is for eyes. Here is your eyes. E is for eyes. E is for eyes. And E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for ears. E is for ears. E is for ears. And E is for envelope. E is for envelope. Okay. So here we have completed letter A, B, C, D and E, which we have studied in previous class. Okay. So now we are going to start a new letter, that is letter F. That is letter F. So now see, this is letter F. This is letter F. F is for fish. And fish swims in a water. You all have heard that rhyme na? मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है. हाथ लगाओगे डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे मर जाएगी. Okay. So fish lives in a water. Okay. Now F is for flower. F is for flower. Flower smells very good, na? F is for flower. Now F is for fruits. Apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes, papaya and many more fruits are there. Okay. So F is for fruits. F is for fruits. Now F is for frog. And the frog says tar, tar. And the frog says tar, tar. Okay. Now F is for frog. F is for frog. Girls loves to wear new frock every day, no? Now F is for fan. F is for fan. We use this hand fan in the summer season, no? Nowadays we are not using, but previously we were using this hand fan. Okay. So now let's repeat this letter F one more time. Okay. So F is for fish. Fish swims in a water. F is for flower. F is for fruits. F is for frog. And the frog says tar, tar. F is for frog. F is for fan. Okay. Now coming to the next letter. So now this is letter G. This is letter G. G is for grapes. What is the color of grapes? green. The color of grapes is green. G is for gifts. Gifts. We love gifts, no? G is for gifts. And G is for girl. G is for girl. Your sister is a girl now, and your mother is also a girl. Okay? G is for girl. And G is for green. Green is a color. Okay? Green is a color. Now G is for glass. G is for glass. We drink water. We drink milk. We drink juices in the glass. Okay? Now G is for guitar. G is for guitar. Okay? So let's repeat this one more time. G is for grapes. G is for gifts. G is for girl. G is for green. G is for glass. And G is for guitar. Okay? Now see, this is letter H. This is letter H. And H is for house or home. You can say H is for house. अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं? घर में ना. We lives in a house, no? We lives in a home. So H is for house. And H is for hammer. H is for hammer. Hammer means hathoda. Hammer means hathoda. Now H is for hat. H is for hat. And H is for hand. H is for hand. Now H is for hen. H is for hen. And H is for 100. 100. 100. Okay. So let's repeat this one more time. Okay. H is for house. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hand. H is for hen. And H is for 100. Okay. So now coming to the next letter, and the next letter is I. Next letter is I. I is for import. I is for import. And I is for ice. I is for ice. Now I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. We used to eat ice cream in which season? In summer season. Okay? Now I is for insects. I is for insects. And I is for igloo. I is for igloo. Okay? Now I is for iron. I is for iron. Okay? Now let's repeat this letter I one more time. Okay? I is for import. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. I is for insects. I is for igloo. And I is for iron. Okay? So now let's come to the next letter and the last letter of the day. Letter J. What comes after I? Letter J. What comes after I? Letter J. J is for juice. J is for juice. J is for jug. J is for jug. J is for jacket. J is for jacket. And J is for joker. J is for joker. J is for jar. J is for jar. And J is for jam. We love to eat bread, butter and jam. Okay. J is for jam. So let's repeat this one more time. This is letter J. This is letter J. J is for juice. J is for jug. J is for jacket. J is for joker. J is for jar. And J is for jam. Okay. So how many letters we have studied today? Letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. We have studied 10 letters today. Okay? Hello parents. As we are knowing, you people are not having books and copies with you, and which you can help your child to learn the letters and objects very clearly. So I am showing all the flashcards to you people, okay, which will help you to make them learn. Make your kids learn the letters and the corresponding objects very easily. Okay. So have a look. Thank you.
This is letter A. A is for alligator. A is for X. A is for aeroplane. A is for apple. A is for arrow. A is for ant. This is letter B. B is for balloon. B is for basket. B is for butterfly. B is for bell. B is for balloon. B is for bear. This is letter C. C is for cat. C is for cake. C is for car. C is for cup. C is for caterpillar. C is for cap. This is letter D. D is for donut. D is for deer. D is for door. D is for dot. D is for drum. D is for duck. This is letter E. E is for egg. E is for eyes. E is for ears. E is for earth. E is for elephant. E is for envelope. This is letter F. F is for fish. F is for fruits. F is for frog. F is for flowers. F is for frog. F is for fan. This is letter G. G is for grapes. G is for girl. G is for glass. G is for gifts. G is for green. G is for guitar. This is letter H. H is for house. H is for hat. H is for hen. H is for hammer. H is for hand. H is for 100. This is letter I. I is for inkpot. I is for ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for ice. I is for insects. I is for iron. This is letter J. J is for juice. J is for jacket. J is for jar. J is for jug. J is for joker. And J is for jam.
So children, keep smiling, spread love and study hard. Okay? See you soon. So children, keep smiling, spread love, study hard. Okay? See you soon in the next class. Take care.